Want to fix Discord update failed retrying error? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. First, you want to click on the search bar and search run. Now open it. Here enter %local app data % and hit OK. Open the Discord folder given here. Now find the update file. Go ahead and rename this to update space repair and press enter. Next, you want to open Task Manager. Find Discord from here, right-click on it and select End Task. Now restart Discord to check. If it still fails, search for Windows Defender Firewall on your search bar. Now open it. Now click Turn Windows Firewall on or off and temporarily turn both private and public network settings off. Press OK and test Discord again. If nothing works, uninstall the Discord app. For that, go to Settings, now open Apps, now click on Installed Apps. Here search Discord, click on the three dots, now select Uninstall. Now you want to reinstall it from the official site. In this way, you can fix the Discord update failed retrying, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.